Welcome, business owners. Today, we're exploring an interesting and perhaps unexpected topic: how having a codependent personality can actually be a superpower for business owners. Now, let's first define what we mean by codependency. A codependent person tends to put others' needs above their own, often feeling responsible for others' emotions and well-being. They're compassionate, attentive, and highly sensitive to others, but they might also struggle with prioritizing their own needs or setting boundaries. So how can these traits become superpowers in a business setting? Let's dive in. Superpower number 1, deep empathy. Codependents have an incredible ability to tune into others' feelings and needs. In business, this skill can make all the difference. When you deeply understand and connect with clients, employees, or partners, you build trust and loyalty. Think about it. People want to work with someone who genuinely understands them. This deep empathy enables codependent business owners to create lasting, meaningful relationships, which is a cornerstone of any successful business. It's about more than just transactions, it's about connection. Our second superpower is resilience. Codependents often feel a strong drive to support and help others, which fuels their determination and perseverance. In the world of business, where challenges and setbacks are inevitable, this resilience becomes a major asset. Codependent individuals are often motivated by a deep commitment to others, whether that's a promise to clients, a responsibility to employees, or a dedication to their mission. This drive can help them push through tough times and find solutions, keeping them on course even when things get challenging. Superpower 3, people skills. Because codependent individuals are so attuned to others, they're usually skilled at managing different personalities and navigating conflicts. This ability to understand various perspectives and work harmoniously with diverse personalities is invaluable in any business. As a leader, this skill helps in team building, fostering collaboration, and creating a positive work culture. People skills can directly translate into higher morale and productivity within a team, which ultimately benefits the business's bottom line. And finally, superpower 4, a commitment to service. Codependent individuals often have a genuine desire to help others, and this translates naturally into exceptional customer service. They go above and beyond to meet clients' needs, making them feel valued and appreciated. This level of care and dedication builds customer loyalty, bringing clients back again and again. Repeat customers are the backbone of many successful businesses, and a strong commitment to service is a huge part of making that happen. Now, while these superpowers are incredibly valuable, it's also essential to balance them. Codependent business owners need to remember that taking care of themselves is equally important. It's easy to fall into the trap of constantly giving and neglecting your own needs. Setting boundaries and taking time for self-care helps ensure that you can continue bringing these strengths to the table without burning out. So, while a codependent personality may have its challenges, it also brings powerful strengths to the table in business. Deep empathy, resilience, people skills, and a commitment to service are assets that can set you apart as an entrepreneur. By recognizing and balancing these traits, you can harness your codependent superpowers to build a successful and fulfilling business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which of these codependent superpowers resonates with you the most.